So you can see right here that David 8 hours ago inside of this Facebook group posted that he had another $900 commission automatically come in using this new system. And he said he had a $2,900 morning. Okay, it was not even noon yet. You can see the proof right there. I just want to share a couple more results, and then I'm going to get into exactly how you can swipe and deploy this brand new system for yourself. You can see Carlos right here. These payments keep coming in. Okay, this is income stream number 6. There's actually 7 different income streams, so you're going to get paid residual, instant, and high ticket commissions. Okay, David, again, you can see last night he had a total of $1,900. Okay, just a few more. Like I said, you can see Mark right here just starting. Okay, but he already got a result right there. And maybe just one more for good measure. You can see right here, Justin woke up to another overnight commission. Okay, so how exactly does this work? I have these 3 simple steps laid out. I'm going to walk you through step by simple step. Number 1 is I'm going to share with you how to get access to this exact affiliate system that we're all using. People from around the world, no backgrounds, you know, a lot of people without any experience online. Number 2 is I'm going to share with you how to set up this system very easily with a click of a button to add your different affiliate links so you get tracked to those commissions inside of these high-paying programs. And then number 3, how to flood your funnel link, okay, your done for you system, how to flood it with both free and instant traffic, okay? So step number 1 is what you're going to want to do is actually go to the link in the description. Now, it's going to take you to a page where you put in your best email, and ultimately it will take you to this page here when you follow the simple steps. Now, once you're on this page right here, this is the free account creation page. Now, I say free because at the time of recording, it's actually free. There is a 100% off coupon applied. Okay, but very shortly, it's going to be $2,000 to actually use this system. So the promo code is currently applied. So you want to take action now. Go to this button here. You want to click start here, and you want to create your account. Okay, you just put your first name, last name, your goal. Okay, whether it's to make sales or whatever your goal is with the system. Agree to send a testimonial so we can help other people make sales by sharing results of the system. Enter your email here and then create a password. That's going to be how you're going to log into the system, access your affiliate link, plug it all up, access the traffic strategies inside as well. Select you're not a robot and then create your account. Okay. Now, once you create your account, you're going to get taken to this back office here. Now, there's 3 main steps. Okay. Step number 1 inside is going to be setting up your system, which I'll walk you through step by step. Setting up the autoresponder. Okay. So this system will actually start sending out emails to your leads, converting them into sales. And then right here, this tab is traffic strategies. Okay, so how to actually get free and paid traffic to your links. So you can watch this welcome video here, but essentially what you want to do is you want to start with income stream number 1, and you want to set up these different income streams. Okay, now if you don't know how to do it, all you have to do is click this button right here. Okay, for each of the income streams, they have a video tutorial. Okay, right there. All you do is you just click that and you watch this short video from David himself. He's the creator of the system. And then, you would basically click this link here, and that would take you to the page to sign up with that specific income stream. You'll get your own affiliate ID, and then you just want to put it in this box here. Okay. Now, once you do that, you want to click this button here to save your affiliate ID into your system. Okay. Again, this is very crucial. This is how you're going to be able to get paid when people buy through you. So you want to do that, and you want to go through and you want to do as many as you can do. Okay. Now, if you can't afford to get all the income streams at this time, just do the ones that you can. Income stream number 2 is very necessary though if you can't get a lot of them, because this is the email autoresponder. So if you don't currently use another email autoresponder, then this actually allows you to get thousands of leads inside of your email autoresponder for only about $25 a month. Okay, so all you have to do is pay $25 a month to be active inside of this income stream, as well as to be able to earn those commissions. And also you can use that email autoresponder to hook it up to the system so you start having those emails sent out. So again, activate there, go through all the ones you can. Okay, Now, once you've set up all of them, now you want to go to this tab here, Autoresponder Setup. Okay. Now, once you go there, you want to choose your autoresponder. Okay. So if you already have an autoresponder, you could choose that. Like this is system.io. Okay. But if you want to use the one that's built into the system, you can choose SendShark here. Okay. Now, once you do that, I'll share with you right there. You'll see the different steps right here. Okay. And what you want to do is you want to go into your account, get your API key. Again, you want to follow these steps very simply, and then put your API key right there and then save it. So now what happens is, if we go back to this first tab, once your autoresponder is connected, you want to promote this affiliate link here. Okay. Some people ask me, Garrett, should you promote the different income streams separately? No. You just want to send all the clicks, all the traffic to this one specific link, and it will do all the selling, telling, and following up for you on all the other income streams. So you send people to that link. Okay. Now, once they go to that link and they create an account, because you've attached your email autoresponder, they will start getting sent these emails automatically, convincing them to decide to buy. Okay, and when they buy, you'll get paid. Now, the last step is once it's set up, and this really does not take long at all, you just go to this third tab here, don't forget to advertise, and he'll walk you through training on how to get traffic. Okay, literally he gives you exactly, and even like email swipes that you can send. Okay, making it incredibly simple. This video right here is more about like YouTube, using simple free organic YouTube videos, kind of like what I'm doing right now in this video. How to use My Lead Gen Secret, okay, if you want to use that specific source. How to use Udemy solo ads. So he walks you through a tutorial on how to actually use Udemy, okay, which is this site here, where you can find people to purchase solo ad traffic, which is basically they have an email list of leads and you can pay them a certain amount of money and they will send an email to their leads with the link to whatever you want to promote. Now, in this example, again, we want to send it to this link here. And that's really it. I mean, it's really that simple, right? So again, these are the steps. You want to go down to the link directly below, get access to that system while it's still free. Okay, it's $0. Very soon it's going to be $2,000. So you want to get in now. Set up the different income streams step by step. Like I said, if you can't get all of them right now, get as many as you can. And then go to that traffic training and flood your funnel link with both free and instant traffic. Also, just one bonus tip, if you have like a Facebook profile, you can even start promoting on your Facebook profile. Okay, if I go to my Facebook, you're seeing I'm making about 1 post a day. Okay, and in this post, I'll just include the link to the affiliate system. Okay, now sometimes I will tell people to comment for information, and you can see, I have people commenting, right? And then I just send them the link. So you can use Facebook, social media as well as those other traffic sources. Thanks so much for watching. Again, take action now. If you have any questions, comment them below. Subscribe because I'm going to be posting even more videos. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.